To create your own mobile application or a search engine like Google, or your own artificial intelligence model like TGPT. TGPT, hi.
Hi, Sheldon.
To do this, you need to learn programming. In this tutorial, we'll look at the tools you need to learn programming. Let's get started. The first necessary tool you need for programming is a computer. And the computer I recommend should have at least 8 GB of RAM and 500 GB of storage. Ideally, if you have the means, you can get a computer with 64 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. This will be necessary and useful when training artificial intelligence models. But we will discuss this properly. Beyond the computer, we need to have a good internet connection. If you have both the computer and the internet connection, let's get started. We can now install our first software tool, which is Anaconda, where we will use Jupyter Notebook. To download and install our software tool Anaconda, we will go to the site anaconda.com. You arrive at the search bar here and type in Anaconda. You go to the first site suggested to you, anaconda.com, and you click on it. You arrive on this page and you can skip. Now we arrive at this download interface. You can download it if you have Windows. I am currently using a computer with a Windows operating system. Those who have a Mac can download the easiest version to install. You see, we are going to use Python on Anaconda, and the version of Python on Anaconda is Python 3.12. To download, for those who have Windows, you can click on it to download and you can see it downloading. So I will cut here and resume after the download. Here we go. Now you can see that the download is complete. We will open the file in the downloads folder, and here we have our installation file. We will double click on it and you'll see the installation begins. Just press next. Generally, we don't pay much attention to the license, so you can agree. Are you using it just for yourself, or are there multiple users? It depends. I'm using it just for myself. So I press next, and then you choose the folder where it will be located. You click next and create a shortcut on the desktop. You can continue installing. It will take just a little time, and there will be a small adjustment at the end, and it will be perfect. So it takes a bit of time. I'll pause and pick up with you just after. There you go. Our installation has just finished successfully. Press next and press next again, and be careful to uncheck those two boxes. There you go, and complete the installation. Okay, so Anaconda has been installed. You can go to the search bar at the bottom of your computer and type Anaconda. There we have it. We click on it and it will open. It opens. There it is. It has opened here. What interests us is launching this code editor, Jupyter Notebook. There you go, Jupyter Notebook is launched, and we go to new Python 3, click on it, and thus we arrive at this interface. What you're going to do is something traditional that we always do in programming, which is hello world, and we press the control key and enter. There you go. If you manage to display this result, here is the little code we wrote, and here is the little result we obtained. Hello world, and if you were able to complete the installation, and if you have reached this point, you can be proud of having achieved a great accomplishment. So, we'll meet in a future tutorial where we will see the basics of programming in Python. See you soon.